Hi everyone, this is Kalyani Shinde, founder of Godam Innovations. We are working into an agri-tech sector where we are working towards redefining smart warehousing. Talking about what we are doing, India is the second largest onion producing country, which produces around 2 crores metric tons annually. 70% of this production is being stored in the warehouses for a period of 6 to 8 months. The challenge here is that every year the farmers are facing around 40 to 50% of wastage due to n number of reasons. Currently, we are working out of Nashik because Nashik contributes to 15% to the total India's production. And significantly, Maharashtra is the leading producing state in the country, followed by Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. When we started working into this challenge, what we did was we wanted to understand the ecosystem entirely. So we categorized this problem into various categories, starting with crop cycle. Crop cycle is none other than from the start of sowing of the crop till the harvesting of the crop. We tried to research and contact farmers and understand how this process happens. And also we found out that there was a lot of lack of information and inappropriate decision making in that category. Second came warehousing. Warehouse is somewhere where onion as a crop, most of the time was spent there, and maximum wastage was happening in warehouses. And also, we being a digital team, we were looking forward to create a digital solution where it made sense. And third is market. Now we all know that how onion rate fluctuate throughout the year in the market. There is around 800% fluctuation in the market. So we started working with warehousing as a category to help reduce wastage, and then we can probably increase to other horizons. Seeing what are the causes of the wastage today in the warehouses are seeing the microclimate. There is a lack of microclimate monitoring, maintaining, or how the warehouse is constructed today. So seeing that today, Godam, the solution we are offering lies into three major buckets, starting with smart infra. Smart infra is what we're trying to do is helping farmers with their existing structures. We don't want to tell them to construct a whole new warehouse because it will not be economically feasible for them. So we help them with minimum infrastructural changes to facilitate better storage practices. The second part is Godam Sense. It has further two parts. One is real-time microclimate monitoring in the warehouse, which is really important for any crop storage. Second is the USP of the product, that how do we identify wastage. Today, how farmers are identifying wastage based on the smell coming from the crop or based on the level going down. So we have found out a scientific way based on the gases emitted from the crop. We are actually sensing those gases real time and alerting the farmers based on that, which is the third part of the solution. We also have applied for the patent for the same. How Godam Innovations work today is we identify a warehouse, we help them retrofit the warehouse, we go and install the devices in their warehouses, and the data starts coming real time to us. The data is collected at the back end, we analyze the data, and then further we send alerts to the farmer based on the insights we have gathered from the data. The models which we are looking at, initially the first model, as you can see, the current product is we were placing devices in each and every part of the warehouse, but currently we are working towards an optimized model where we can reduce the hardware which is going in the warehouse, and we can increase the intellectuals, the data, and make more decisions based on the data so that the cost of the product can come down. The value which we are proposing to the farmers is that we are helping them to reduce their post-harvest wastage. We are also helping them to remote monitor that warehouse. The farmer doesn't need to be physically present there. We're looking at providing parallel revenue options to the farmers, such as onion powder, processing industry, and connecting them with the players in that ecosystem. And we are also trying to help farmer grow good quality and quantity of crop based on the parameters collected from them only. Currently what we are doing is we have three areas where we're working. We have partnered with Tata Trust, where we are starting our pilot near in December, which is in three major onion producing regions with 10 warehouses. Second plan is we've partnered with John Deere through their CSR initiative, and we're starting a pilot in 7 villages with 20 plus warehouses. The third plan is by the end of the next year, we're planning to target 30 individual warehouses. So this is like a sales target to us, and selling our product to them. Community warehouse. Community warehouse is something where it has started 2 years back, where government has taken an initiative where farmer producer companies will now store onions. So we along with Tata Steel and Sayadri Farms have now taken up this area where we are constructing an microclimate control structure, an ideal warehouse, which will be an end-to-end solution where monitoring will be done by us for the farmer producer companies, where the wastage will be reduced. DOGR implementation is Directorate of Onion and Garlic Research Center. So we are looking at continuing our scientific study, which we previously have been doing with them for validating our product. This has been our journey so far. We joined Digital Impact Square, a TCS Foundation initiative in January 2018, followed by Sahyadri joining us as a domain advisor. Also ICER DOJAR, which is in our Rajguru Nagar, it is a government research organization. We have applied for a patent, and we also have published our research. We incorporated ourselves last year. We were a part of another incubation center called Unlimited India. Recently partnered with Tata Steel, Tata Trust, and we have a fellowship at IIT Bombay, partnered with John Deere, and a fellowship with Nidhi AI. These have been our key partners, which I already have talked about. The deployment strategy for us in the future is, the first business model is B2C, where we are targeting direct for individual farmers who have warehouses. They will have to be one-time paying for the product, and they will be charged for the subscription for the period of storage they are keeping the crop into. Financial projections a bit is like, current year revenue shows that 90% of the amount is being coming from John Deere and Tata Trust, but we are still going to charge farmers 10% of the amount, so that they can so that will be shown as a revenue to us. The next warehouses are 30 warehouses target, and then followed by 100 warehouses for the following year. The second strategy is, as I discussed about community warehouses theme, the end-to-end solution model, where we are targeting farmer producer companies as a customer, where this is in partnership with Sahyadri Farms and Tata Steel, and this is going to be like a one-time product cost, installation, and then monitoring cost for them. Third business model is, we are looking at helping farmers with consultancy, even farmer producer companies with consultancy regarding warehouse construction and crop storage methodology. And we're also looking at a revenue sharing with various partners getting into help farmers sell their produce. The roadmap for us looks like, in October, we're planning to start up like pilot with Kharif onions in the warehouse, which we have already constructed with Tata Steel and Sahyadri Farms. In February and March, we're planning to start our individual farmer pilot with Rabi onions, followed by our R&D. We would like to start our R&D in parallel crops, and such as poultry and potato and tomatoes. And we're looking at partnership with farmer producer companies and CSRs and government bodies, and followed by market entry by the end of the next year. Our asks are majorly, we would request for network access to scale our business in different sectors. We are currently looking for funds which are required for R&D in other crops. Also fund to start our customer acquisition for the 30 warehouses. And we're looking at mentoring and guidance to enhance our business model. And a bit idea of what we are looking at for the first year, we're looking at least raising 30-35 lakhs, with a followed year around 50-55 lakhs. This has been our achievement so far. A lot of platforms have covered our story, personally my story as a founder of the startup working into this sector. Even work was appreciated by late Arun Jaitley sir, also Agriculture Minister and Secretary of Maharashtra, as you can see in the screen. And I was also one of the top 5 NASCOM Meaty Entrepreneur Awards, which was in the finalist. This is my team. We are a 6-people team. Again, we have volunteers and part-time members. A mentor from Digital Impact Square, Mr. Sandeep Shinde. Domain advisors are the chairman of Sahyadri Farms, Mr. Vilas Shinde, founding director of DOJR, current director of DOJR, and a senior scientist from there. Yeah, thank you.